Welcome to Sow and Grow, your go-to place for everything backyard farming. Whether you are growing fresh vegetables, beautiful flowers, or just starting out with a few pots on your patio, you're in the right space. No matter the size of your space or your skill level, here at Sow and Grow, we believe anyone can grow their own food and enjoy the benefits of farming at home. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join our growing community of backyard gardeners. Let's sow and grow together. Look what greeted me this morning. Isn't it just beautiful? Look at the radiant canary yellow flower shouting, "Spring is in the air." Can you guess its name? Yes, it's a yellow chrysanthemum, otherwise called mums. Chrysanthemums originate from Asia and are part of the daisy family. They are perennials and come in different colors from red, white, green, violet, yellow, and pink. Each color having its own symbolism. Mums grow to a width and height of 3 feet and are best planted in spring. They add beauty to your bouquet. How do we care for chrysanthemums? Chrysanthemums love full sunlight in a rich, well-drained, moist soil with consistent watering but not waterlogged. We will now take a look at the symbolism of the different colors of the chrysanthemums. Yellow is good for fortune and can be given as a way of expressing that you are sorry and want to move on joyfully. Pink symbolizes honor, longevity, and endurance, and is given to announce your care and appreciation. The green symbolizes vibrancy and vitality and is generally given to graduates. The red symbolizes love and is generally given on Valentine's Day or anniversaries, especially the 13th anniversary. The purple chrysanthemum, although rare, symbolizes royalty and luxury and can be given at any occasion. The white symbolizes loyalty and honesty and can be given at housewarming or get well. You might wonder, apart from giving beauty, is there any other uses of the chrysanthemum? So as we move forward, we are going to be looking at 5 basic ways in which we can use this beautiful flower. Now, the flower of the chrysanthemum can be used to make tea, and this tea tastes like chamomile tea. The leaves are used also in salads, in soups, and stir fry. And medicinally, it is used to treat high blood pressure, fever, inflammation, improving eye health, boosting the immune system, help to reduce stress, anxiety, aiding digestion, bone loss, and it is used to relieve headaches. Help to reduce high blood sugar, and ornamentally, it is used to beautify the home and garden. It can also be used as a pest control. Although this beauty has potential benefits, more research needs to be done to fully understand what effect it has on humans. As with any other plant, we should consume it moderately and with consultation from our medical practitioner. So until then, keep hope high and enjoy your backyard garden. As usual, click the like button, comment, share, and subscribe.